Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to add a Google account onto your OnePlus Nord 5. Let's begin. First, you want to head into the settings, then scroll all the way down, and here you should see a nice Google section. We can click on that, and then we can click Sign In. We have to input our current lock screen password. For me, it's a nice pattern. And now we have the ability to add... Oh, sorry, that was a misclick. You have the ability to simply add your email or phone number in order to log in into a Google account. So, let's do that. Also, a little fun fact, you do not have to type in gmail.com every time, as Google will do that manually for you. It's a nice little fun fact, and it will maybe save you some few precious seconds, hopefully. Anyway, after Google has found your account, you can now enter your password. And after you have done that, you can simply hit next. Now you have the ability to configure who will be using this device. If you will go with My Child, you will go through the process of setting up your parental controls, but they are pretty meh, like they are based off the family link, and personally, in my experience, I'm just not a really big fan of them. So yeah, that's all for this video. Now if we would just click next and agree to terms of service, our Google account should be added. Of course, we also have the ability to enable backup data. From my experience, I know that having backup is incredibly important, and I would strongly advise anyone to have it enabled. And as you can see, we now have our Google account ready to go. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.